Hello students, let us solve today's class. Now this is the question you have, integration pi by 4 to n pi minus pi by 4. I'll give more notes and very important questions I am going to give. What I thought, this is also not. I'll give extra notes, extra very important questions of each subtopics, of all the topics. I'll share in the WhatsApp group very soon. You will learn that also, and you will get definitely, if you follow my notes and these videos, it's more easy, you can crack the JEE mains and advance. Let us see here this question. Integration pi by 4 to n pi minus 5 over mod of sin x plus cos x dx is how much? Keep the headphones and watch the video. Let's see here how to do here. This one I just do this question very simplest way. See here, mod you have. This is mod you have, and the bracket of two trigonometric functions. How to deal this question? Dealing of this question is, I do like this here, pi by 4. Just to do is, under root of a square plus b square value is how much? That should be multiplied and divided. Here, a sin x, suppose this is a sin x plus b cos x form. The trigonometry form is a sin x plus b cos x. A is 1 and b is 1. So a is 1, b is 1, under root of a square plus b square, that is 1 square plus 1 square, under root 2. So root 2 should be multiplied and divided this case. So that is the logic as here. So what you have to do here, you have to multiply root 2 and you have to divide by root 2. N pi minus pi by 4. And I am multiplied here outside, and I am dividing the root 2 inside the modulus. So what I am going to get here, mod sin x upon 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2 cos x dx. This is the way I deal this question. This is the way to deal the question, everyone. Okay, look at here, this is the question. Under root 2 will comes out integration pi by 4 to n pi minus pi by 4. Let's see here, this is I can write as sin of sin x, root 2 cos 45, can I write here? Cos 45 plus sin 45, cos sin a minus b formula, sin a plus b formula. So sin of x plus 1 by root 2 will get where? Sin 45 degrees, that is pi by 4 dx. See here, this question is become now very simple. So that is the beauty of this mathematics, and most of the definite integration is beautiful. Let's say this can be written as root 2 integration, we can write as pi by 4, and you get here n pi minus pi by 4. Let's see here, this is how to deal this question. This question to deal, you need to know how to open the modulus. Where the modulus is positive, where the modulus is negative is important. Let's see here, I'll make you understand here, there is a graph, you can see the sin x graph will be in this shape, correct? This is the shape of pi by 4 means somewhere here pi by 4 starts here, and this is the pi, and this is you have where you have n pi minus pi by 4. Okay, n pi minus pi by 4. So okay, let's discuss this later. Let us what you have n pi minus pi by 4. Whenever you have n pi minus pi by 4, yesterday I gave formula, periodic formula, integration a to a plus t. When you have a can be removed, you know na, a can be removed out. I have explained you a can be removed out. Okay, so this I will discuss later. Let us discuss this one. Root 2, then I have told you na, when you have this is a to nt minus a you have. So yesterday one formula I told you. Do you remember? Whenever you have this one, you can remove this one. Only you can write n pi. Yesterday property number 2. Property number 2 on periodic function. Let's apply that one. That one you need to apply. Mod of this is a letter. Mod of sin x plus pi by 4 dx. Okay, mod dx. But what I write here now, according to the rule, what is according to the yesterday's rule, periodic function rule? What I can write as this is can be written as 0 to n pi. According to the property number 2, yesterday's property number 2, 0 to n pi I can write. This is can be written as 0 to n pi. Now already yesterday again property number 1. What is the modulus of sin x? Period is 1. Period is pi. Sin x, mod sin x period is how much? Pi. So pi is the period. So period should keep here, n should be come back. So property number 1, according to the property number 1, root 2n integration 0 to pi, I get as mod of sin x plus pi by 4 dx. This is the way to do keep this sum. Now, but we have what here mod you have, but you have here argument x plus pi by 4. That does not work. So what you have to do here, that should be come into argument in one variable. You have x plus pi by 4. That is the extra thing you have. That should be changed. So to change that one, we write as x plus pi by 4 is equal to t. Let us consider this is t. If I consider t, what is the x here? Here 0. If I take x is equal to 0, what I am going to get t here? T is equal to pi by 4. Okay, if x is equal to, if I take pi, you have here pi. So if I take pi, then I get t is equal to pi plus pi by 4. That is pi by 4. So this differentiation of this will be what here? Dx is equal to dt. So the beauty of mathematics, what happens? This can be changes root 2 into n integration. This is becomes that is pi by 4 to 5 pi by 4, 5 pi by 4, okay, 5 pi by 4 sin t dt. Now you have to find the modulus of this. This is the modulus to be open. Now this modulus can be open, okay, because you have it to single variable. So what is you have pi by 4 to 5 pi by 4? So this I was checking here pi by 4, okay. Already you have here pi by 4 to 5 pi by 4. You have to find the integration of this. This modulus is very simple. Whenever I open this mod of sine, that will be positive or negative where I have to see. See this graph here, sin x graph, pi by 4 on the top, pi is here, 5 pi by 4 here. Means till pi by 4 to pi it is positive, and 5 to pi by 4 this is negative. This is negative. This is modulus will open negative. So what I do here, this question I can change is here. This is a very important question. Okay, I am dealing the important question. So here root 2 into n, I can write this one as modulus. When I open this modulus, I get as integration. I can write here pi by 4 to pi is positive. Pi by 4 to pi. Pi by 4 to pi is sin t dt I will get. Okay, sin t dt I will get. Next, after plus symbol, I can use where to where here now 5 to 5 pi by 4. 5 to 5 pi by 4. There I will get this is minus of sin t dt. And after this, everything is simple, and you can simplify this integration. You will get the final answer. So I just leave for you to solve this question after this. Okay, I'll explain few more steps, so you can solve by your own. Let's see a few more steps I'll explain. Hope you understand this case. Take the screenshot of the page and simplify. Let us see here how to simplify this question. Let us more simplify this question, how it is going to happen. Now here, you know the integration of sin t is minus cos t. So let us what I get here, root 2 times of n, integration of this sin t is minus cos t, I get as minus cos t. I am going to apply here the limits. There will be pi to pi by 4. Let's you have in, this is total into, okay, this is there, plus, then what you have here, integrate, minus you have here, plus into minus, sin t. What is the integration of sin t? You have a minus, and the integration of sin t will be minus cos t. So minus cos t, this minus into minus, it becomes plus. Okay, hope you understand this one. Minus into minus plus, so I can write directly plus. And there you can write the limits as 5 pi by 4 to pi. So hope you understand. Just simple now. Substitute pi here, minus pi by 4 plus substitute 5 pi by 4 minus pi. Find this value, substitute here. Finally, you will get the answer. This is the way to do it. And final answer I will tell you. Okay, note down. The answer is finally you will get as 2 root 2 n you will get. This you simplify. This is very simple. You can do this as a homework. Hope you understand.